In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Asana. Whether you're organizing tasks for a team or managing a solo project, integrating your data smoothly into Asana is key to keeping everything on track. Let's walk through each step together to ensure a seamless import process. To get started, you'll first need to visit the Asana website, which is simply www.asana.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your details to access your dashboard. But if you're new to Asana, don't worry, just click on Get Started or Try for Free to set up your account. It's pretty straightforward and won't take much time at all. After logging in, navigate to the project where you want to import your CSV file. If you already have a project set up, simply click on it to enter. However, if you haven't created a project yet, you'll need to do that first. Just follow the on-screen prompts to set one up. It's a great opportunity to tailor your project settings to suit your specific needs. Once you're inside your chosen project, look for the drop-down arrow located next to the project name. Clicking on this arrow will unveil a range of options. Here you'll want to select Import followed by CSV. This action tells Asana you're ready to bring in fresh data from your CSV file. Then go ahead and click on Upload CSV file. This will open a file selection prompt, allowing you to pick the CSV file you wish to import. Before doing so, a quick yet crucial reminder, make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly. You should have column headers like task name, assignee, due date, and any other relevant fields set up properly. This ensures that Asana can recognize and organize your data efficiently. Next, Asana will guide you through matching your CSV columns with the corresponding fields in Asana. This is where you ensure everything aligns perfectly. Check that each column, like task name, is correctly mapped to its respective Asana field, such as task title. Taking a moment here to double check can save you from potential headaches later on. Once you're content with how everything lines up, hit the import button. Asana will begin processing your file, and shortly thereafter, introduce your tasks to the dashboard. Seeing your tasks appear as planned is incredibly satisfying and means you've successfully integrated your data. And that's it. By following these steps, you've officially imported a CSV file into Asana, bringing clarity and organization to your project management process. Remember, staying organized is a continuous effort, so keep exploring Asana's features for even greater productivity. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.